Hi guys, this is Liwi Textile Company from Shaoxing. Follow me to see the process of setting process in dye factory. Next, we will see this is the setting process, which is necessary after the fabric is dyed. Now the fabric we are setting is chiffon. This is the trough for adding additives. For example, make it soft. We will add softener in proportion to this trough. This is the console. We will set the speed, temperature and other parameters according to different fabrics and specifications. This is a high-temperature box over 20 meters long. Fabrics are setted through this high-temperature box. This is the core principle of fabric setting. Look, after setting is very smooth and soft. Now the fabric setting process is finished. Here is our dark black chiffon setting. The dark black color takes 3 to 4 times to set, which is very difficult to operate. Even so, we insist on quality assurance. Please check the quality. Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.